அந்த வகையிலே அவர்களுடைய ஆன்மீக பணி என்றென்றும் இந்த உலகளாவிய ரீதியிலே சிறந்து விளங்கி சகல மக்களுக்கும் அவர்களுடைய ஆசீர்வாதங்கள் அவர்களுடைய ஆன்மீக சொற்பொழிவுகள் எல்லாம் கிடைக்கப்பெற்று முருகப்பெருமானுடைய பாதாரங்கள் விந்தையில் பணிந்து வணங்கிக் கொள்கின்றோம். ஹரஹர பார்வதி பதையே.
Welcome to Garden Guruji. Om Namah Shivaya.
Yeah, this is.
That's okay.
Yes.
Hi. You are muted. You are muted.
Myself, and we had about 10 people, I think, with me. And India and the GDR was also having good relationship. So from here, we went there. They took us in a car, and we went to the Parliament building. Then I told them that we are going to meditate here a few minutes. Sit here for a few minutes. So then I told our people, look, we all sit here, we meditate, we put the seed that the Berlin should become, East and West Germany should become one. That was our, and then we sang there slowly. Om Namah Shivaya, because Om Namah Shivaya is a chant which has so much power to unite all the 5 elements and the spirit. So we did the chanting there.